Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. I'm on the case, sporting the Rhythm Studio t-shirt, as you can see. And this is the setup for today. We got R10 Max. We're going with Yuko on the ISA overheads. And the API rack is employed for everything else. We're sound checking right now. And I switched it out. I decided to use the inserts. You see where it says B, that's Bertha's compressor. That's Max there. And these are the inserts for all four, coming from the WA73s. So they're both using compression, and we're about to run it down. Here's some of the preamps I'm using. The Freudensteins, these are sleepers. I'm using the Freudensteins on the drums. They're pretty much API 512C clones. The Five Fish is a boutique company out of Tennessee. I use a lot of their stuff. And if I could have 8 of these, I'm telling you, I would track everything through these. I love these pre's. I mean, above and beyond the 1073s, these are the best ones that Focusrite have put out. And of course, the nice clean ISA one. You can't beat that. Look, it got Yuko's name on it. Yuko Tagomi. Don't know who she is? You should look her up. Okay, so for those who want to walk through, this is what my live room looks like. Acoustic bass WA87 on the F hole. Went with a 57 on the neck, and it seemed to be a pretty good combination. Gobos all around, gobos in the back. And we walk through. Okay. And you see we're using the Royer R10. Okay. And I'm still using my Furman. Let's bring that in a bit. Furman headsets. This is her perspective, looking out into the live room. Drums. Now I use the Audix i5, which is a phenomenal microphone on the toms. You can see the angle of it. A good distance, aimed at the center of the head. The toms sound very natural. This is a 414. It's mono overhead. i5, Audix i5 on the snare as well. These Audix AD51s are just absolutely remarkable. Miking the hi-hat, as well as the ride cymbal. You can see, wish I could get this better in focus. But these Audix microphones are absolutely remarkable. Bubbles around her. And I use the AKG D112 on the kick, tom mic, and I use the trusty Shure Beta 56A on the floor tom mic. This has a good bottom end when you're miking toms of 14 inches or more. Really rich and wide sounding. So that's that. And everybody, like I said, is using the headphone remotes by Furman, as you can see. Nice music stands. And let's go back this way. I record primarily with gobos, so they work. If I had sound isolation booths, I would use them, but I don't see a real need for them when you're recording acoustic jazz because you want that natural vibe to happen. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and don't forget to say hello to the family for me.